Hey, I'm Suryaveer, a singer, performer, and composer, and I'm proudly associated with Advanced Hair Studio as their brand ambassador. See, the first time I got to know them was because of the cricketers, because a lot of cricketers come here for their hair solutions. Gautam Gambhir and Ganguly, Shane, the late Shane once. So I was very impressed because if these guys are coming here, that means they must be really good, and that's how my relationship started with them. So I've been coming here for many years, and honestly, when I started coming here, उसके बाद मैं कहीं और गया ही नहीं. And I'm very happy with the hair solutions, and I'm happy with their service, and I'm happy with the way they go about every client, and including me. No, I think the entire team is dedicated to me over here, and they're very friendly, and they always go out of the way to get my work done. For example, if I have a shoot or a recording and I need an urgent haircut, they'll always make it happen.